Here's a big breaking news coming in from Maharashtra. A total of 10 ministers, over 20 MLAs have tested positive for COVID-19 in Maharashtra. This information has been given by Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. Maharashtra Deputy Ajit Pawar now says that if the number of COVID patients increases in the state, if it continues to increase at the pace it is, then the government will be forced to impose more restrictions. These are directions coming in from the Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar himself. It's quite surprising that close to 10 ministers and over 20 MLAs have tested positive for COVID-19 in Maharashtra. And the information comes in from Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar himself. Maharashtra Deputy Ajit Pawar says that if the COVID numbers continue to rise the way it is, then the government will be forced to impose stricter restrictions that are in place. Remember, Maharashtra is already seeing a strict curb ahead of, in fact, right through this New Year celebration, starting with Christmas, New Year's, and at least till the 15th of January. Strict restrictions have already been imposed in Mumbai. A night curfew as well as Section 144 has been put in place. But despite those restrictions, it appears COVID-19 cases only on the rise in Maharashtra. Saurabh Akhtania joining us live for more on that. Saurabh, all right, I'm going to first take you through what Ajit Pawar, Deputy Chief Minister, had to say on this.
कोरोना खूप झपाट्याने वाढतो. मी मागेही काहींशी आपल्याशी बोललो होतो. 5 दिवसच अधिवेशन आम्ही ठेवलेलं होतं. तरी 5 दिवसामध्ये जवळपास आतापर्यंत 10 मंत्र्यांना कोरोनाची लागण झालेली आहे. जवळपास 20 पेक्षा जास्त आमदारांना कोरोनाची लागण झालेली आहे. प्रत्येकाने लोकप्रतिनिधी असेल किंवा कुणी नागरिक असेल त्या सर्वांनी नियमाचं भान ठेवलं पाहिजे.
All right, Saurabh Akhtania joining us live for more. Saurabh, here we hear that at least 10 ministers in Maharashtra, including about 20 MLAs, have tested positive for COVID-19. Any word on if at all this is the Omicron variant? Has their tests results been sent for genome sequencing as well? What more do we know on restrictions furthermore owing to this rise in cases? Will there be stricter restrictions in Maharashtra that will be imposed, and how soon is that expected?
So Nabila, first of all, continuous monitoring the situation is been monitoring. Let me tell you, the most important part right now is that last week there was a winter session held in Mumbai at Mantralay. This was the 5 days winter session. All the MLAs, all the cabinet ministers and the opposition party were present over there. Let me tell you, after this winter session got over last week, one after the other, the ministers started to test positive. Over 10 ministers have already tested positive. They have informed the people through their social media handles. Over 20 MLAs have been tested positive for coronavirus. Not just the ministers and the MLAs, Nabila, but many of the Mantralay staff too have tested positive. We are seeing so many reports of COVID-19 positive in Bollywood itself. So, and the sources in the BMC are also telling us that the Omicron is on the verge of community spread already in the city of Mumbai. The worrying sign right now, I must tell you, that just a week back, the cases which were being reported in Mumbai were around 700 to 800. Look at the current situation. Just a week after, now we are seeing yesterday in last 24 hours, over 5,400 new cases of COVID-19 were reported. Worrying sign are not just the high-rise residential building, Nabila, but the cluster area, where are the hutments and the slum area. Let me tell you, over 34 cases are reported from Dharavis itself. So this is the major concern for the officials right now. So what they are saying is, situation will be monitored in the next couple
and that's
of
what's
days.
supposed to be done. Saurabh, stay with us. I'm going to quickly cut across to Pankaj Khelkar joining us live from Pune. Pankaj, Ajit Pawar, Deputy Chief Minister, has said if at all cases continue to rise at the pace it is, then maybe stricter curbs will be imposed. What's shocking is that 10 ministers in Maharashtra have tested positive, 20 MLAs have been tested positive, many more who have sent out their tests as well, waiting for results. And at the same time, we're still worried whether this is the Omicron variant that they've been infected with.
Nabila, Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar was at the Victory War Memorial outskirts of Pune city at Bhima Koregaon, and after worshipping, paying homage to the warriors who fought bravely, Ajit Pawar, while addressing the media, said that it is a warning signal that 10 of his ministers and almost 20 MLAs have tested positive, and that is a worrying sign. And if such figures continue, then strict norms will be imposed. That's what he meant to say, and so he warned all of the public. There was large crowd that was expected, but on the 11th hour, on the 11th moment, the government has imposed some restrictions, and that is the reason what we could see at the Bhima Koregaon War Memorial, that the crowd is not that which was expected. And the warning comes from Deputy Chief Minister himself that people have to abide by the social distancing norms.
Got it. Well, Pankaj, thank you very